2021 marks the 15-year anniversary of CordenPharma. We look back to our successful history as your one partner CDMO with an integrated facility network across Europe and the US. Following the foundation of CordenPharma in 2006 and the first acquisition in 2007, our strategy has been to add and transform multiple ex-pharma facilities into a global CDMO. With the acquisition of the API facility CordenPharma Brussels in 2013, we further strengthened our API manufacturing network within Europe. In the heart of Belgium, CordenPharma Brussels is a cGMP manufacturer, supplying pharmaceutical and biotech companies with clinical and commercial scale cGMP peptide API manufacturing. Customers benefit from streamlined processes development, scale-up and large-scale manufacturing services, including innovative proprietary technologies.
Back in 2013, when we joined CordenPharma, we were focused mainly on API manufacturing for our biotech legacy business. But then, with our profound experience and capabilities in liquid phase peptide synthesis, LPPS, we quickly improved our asset and way of operating to become an industry-leading CDMO. Over the last years, we continuously expanded our equipment and offerings. In the spray drying process, for example, we use a unique technology that allows us to produce a very well-controlled and narrow particle size distribution of isolated peptides. In a recent complex peptide project across our facility network, I'm proud to say that CordenPharma Brussels successfully applied our additional expertise in solid phase peptide synthesis, SPPS, to establish the development and scale-up process to be used globally. This clearly demonstrates our versatility as a cGMP API manufacturing site in the European market. Over the next 2 years, we plan to further invest in new technologies that allow online analysis and the expansion of our SPPS services. We look forward to continuing our collaboration with you, our customer. CordenPharma, your one partner CDMO.